everyone! Today I will present our university especially for you. Stay with me! Our plan consists of 4 chapters: introduction, main part, conclusion and references. About the university. The history of the creation and development of the university goes back to the 20th century. The university began its main work after foreign language education began to develop in Kazakhstan. The university aims to educate students to a high level. Our faculties: Faculty of Oriental Studies, Faculty of International Relations, etc. Power of faculty is teaching staff. Here you can see 4 of our departments and the teachers of the practice, theorists and native speakers work in the departments. The most attractive side of our faculty is overseas internship in the country of the studied language, where you can not only consolidate the knowledge gained from us, but also from the inside to experience the country itself. So our faculty is the most benevolent and warm atmosphere, fascinating student life, development of personal and the intellectual potential, a broad outlook. Now I will tell you about my student years with groupmates. I want to describe one photo when we were congratulating our very good headman Omar on his birthday. It was in 2017 when we were very young. I think the surprise was a success. My groupmates are the best kind people in the world. They always know how to support and help. Thank them very much for this. I'm just very proud of them. Next, you can see our contacts of the university. So we come to the end of our presentation. In summary, I want to say, in my opinion, my university gives me every chance to study and learn in my specialty. I see myself as a qualified translator after 5 years. To become so and be successful, we need a good foundation, which I received from our university. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.